Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the screen lock protection on this device. Basically a pin protection. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, so let's press the side button to do it, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called pin. Tap on it, and here we have option called enable pin. Tap on it, and now we can enter the pin we want to use to unlock our device. I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But as you can see, it will warn me that this is a quite simple pin to guess. I'm just gonna tap on use anyway and enter it again to confirm. Basically need to enter the pin twice, like this. As you can see, it said set successfully, and now the enable pin changed to disable pin, and we have options like change pin and auto lock. If this option is enabled, basically when you take your band off your hand or off your wrist, it's gonna automatically lock itself. Okay, so when the screen turns off, it should get locked. So let's go back to home screen, place the palm of our hand to turn it off, and after you wake it up, the screen should be locked. As you can see, we have this lock icon, and when we try to use the screen, it will ask us to enter the pin to unlock the device. So let's enter the pin, like this, and here we have it. And if you want to disable the pin protection, the screen lock protection, simply open the quick panel, tap on the settings, tap on pin, tap on disable pin, enter the current pin that you're using to confirm, and it should get disabled, and you should see the enable pin option. Okay, and that's how you set up the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.